Universitas Terbuka.
Good day, everyone. Welcome to our panel discussion on the future of artificial intelligence in education. I am your moderator, Abda. I am a student at Bogor Open University, majoring in English education, and I am currently in my 5th semester. And joining me today is Miss Selly, an expert in artificial intelligence. Welcome, Miss Selly.
Thank you, Mr. Abda. I am delighted to be here to talk about how AI is shaping education.
AI is changing almost every part of our lives. How exactly is it changing the classroom experience?
AI is making learning more personalized and efficient. For example, adaptive learning platforms can adjust lessons based on a student's progress. If a student needs extra help in math, it provides them with more practice. If they are ahead, it challenges them with more questions. It's like having tutor for every learner.
That sounds amazing, but some people worry that AI might replace teacher. What you feel on that?
That's a common concern. But AI won't replace teachers. Instead, it supports them. AI can take care of the repetitive tasks, such as grading or attendance tracking, giving teachers more time to interact with the students. Encourage creativity, problem-solving skills, and building critical thinking skills. The human touch in education is irreplaceable.
That makes sense. Now, what skills should students develop to succeed in this AI-driven world?
Students should focus more on creativity, problem solving, and digital literacy. AI can provide information, but human needs to interpret and apply it wisely. Um, Also, learning about AI ethics, understanding how to use technology responsibly, will be very important.
Finally, what do you think the future of AI in education will look like?
I think we will see classrooms that are more interactive and inclusive. AI could provide virtual tutors that are available 24/7 hours. And virtual reality could take lessons more engaging, like exploring the solar system in 3D or walking through historical events. The future of learning will be very exciting as long as we use AI as a tool to empower both teachers and students.
That's a wonderful vision for the future, Miss Sally. Thank you for sharing your insight.
Thank you, Mr. Abda. It's been a pleasure discussing this topic.
Thank you to our audience for joining us today. Stay curious and keep learning. The future of education is already here.
Universitas Terbuka.